Bruising is documented, then it's documented again. The patient reaches out, then the family does. Advice is given. Wait. The next appointment isn't for days. Then, the fall. 6:30 in the morning. And the emergency department, not until 6:45 that night. That delay isn't interpretation. It's time. This is a typical medical record set. Multiple providers, multiple formats. No single story. Everything you need is here, but it's scattered. When records get large, the problem isn't missing data. It's drowning in it. So instead of starting with documents, I start with facts. These are anticoagulation-related facts, pulled from across the entire record. Each one is dated. Each one is tagged. Each one links back to the source, exactly where it appears. No rewriting, no summarizing, no interpretation. Just evidence. Structured. Here's an INR of 3.1, above range. Here's bruising, documented the same day. Here's a dose reduction. Different documents, different folders, one pattern. And this isn't a summary I wrote. It's generated directly from the evidence itself. That pattern matters, but it doesn't explain what happened next. Now I ask a different question. Not what was managed, but when did action happen? Same record, same evidence. This time organized by delay. I don't need every document. I need the decision points. Here's the moment the concern is raised. Here's the advice that follows. And here's what happens next. The fall at 6:30. The ED at 6:45. That gap is the story. Every entry here links back to the exact place it came from. You can challenge it. You can verify it. Immediately. Same documents, same highlights. Two different chronologies. Two different answers. I didn't reorganize files. I didn't rename PDFs. I didn't write a narrative. This is how you take a large, messy record set and turn it into something you can reason about, something you can defend, something you can explain without hand-waving.